Hi, I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a cute jumping frog using the origami technique. Depending on what size you want your final frog to be, use the appropriate sized piece of paper. It just has to be a rectangle. I used a 17 by 17 centimeters piece of paper that I cut in half. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, I hope you consider subscribing and joining my community, or maybe even giving me a super thanks, as that really helps my channel grow, and this allows me to continue making tutorials for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!